Hi everyone, welcome back to Zunova. I'd like to introduce you to the new ChatGPT-4 Turbo edition that is now in the Zunova platform. So if we just take a quick look at this, it's actually ChatGPT-4 Turbo, which was just released, that is now driving a lot of the information that's coming from the Zunova AI machine learning analytics. Question here, you can see a prompt that's going to use the AI machine learning analytics that Zunova generates every single day. And here's your answer. GPT-4 Turbo follows up with a summary of what it gets when it does an internet search for those particular stocks. Also, there are some suggested follow-up questions that will be below that summary, and you can click on any one of these for it to return an answer. You'll then see the actual internet web searches come up here that you can click on any one of these if you want to read any information from that particular site. I followed it up down here with a suggested question from GPT-4 Turbo right here to act as a financial stock analyst, and it returns a breakdown of the actual table of AI machine learning data that was at the top. So that's this table here. Now asking down here GPT-4 Turbo to analyze that data, which it will give you an analysis. And down here, you can see where it gives you an overall analysis of that table that was generated using Zunova.com AI machine learning analytics. Followed up with a question that was suggested by ChatGPT-4 Turbo. And here's the answer right here. In addition, you'll get a complete AI indicators price and alpha grid, which if you scroll across, there are about 200 outputs here. They're all AI machine learning outputs for each one of the stocks that was in the initial question. You also get tear sheets, and you get over 200 charts. This is the prompt down here where you can actually use predefined questions, put in your own questions, not use Zunova data, just using ChatGPT. And that is how you can use this new, very, very powerful GPT-4 Turbo within the Zunova.com platform. Thank you.